Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll and tap on biometrics and security. Let's scroll again and find other security settings. And as you can see on the credential storage section at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Let's click on OK if you're ready, and as you can see, the credential storage has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.